Hi, this is Gus from GusDigitalSolutions.com, and just wanted to show you how to get a domain name. Start at basics here. So, what is a domain name? So, a domain name could be like a .com, .net, .org. There's so many different kinds. The one that most people like are the ones that are less than like 5 letters. Now, most people like the .com. That's just the one that like most people like. Domain names came from there used to be like only one registrar, which was Network Solutions. I used to work for Network Solutions, and basically, before like there was only one registrar you could buy from. Now there's so many, like GoDaddy, different things like that. So when you're choosing a domain name, you want to choose one that people know what it is, like right off the bat. Like, so I decided to choose GusDigitalSolutions.com because I just wanted to help people with anything digital, and I wanted something that people could understand right away. Now, there are some things like premium domain names where they cost a lot more money. So, for example, if I want to put like, let's put like football.com, so we can see like just an example here. So football.com is taken. Alright, so yeah, these would be premium domain names right here. So you could say like football.ai, it's worth this much. And then I think once you buy it, like the first time you buy it, it's more expensive than when you renew it. You do have to renew it yearly, and you do have to just make sure your information is up to date billing wise. As far as like the registry, the way it works is it registers you based on like your if you have like your address, your first and last name, email address, things like that. Now, if you don't want your information public, you could get something that's called private registration. Some companies, they charge you for it. And then typically domain names are renewed yearly. And, the typical price for a domain name is typically around like $10 a year. Now, there are certain things that you could do that people don't know about, like you could use like ChatGPT or something like that to help you. Depends on like what you ask it and things like that. But there's free tools or paid tools that you could use to ask it like, hey, what domain name do you think would be good to get? So like some domain names have a naturally better SEO in itself that already is going to get traffic naturally, just people looking it up. So you want to make sure that you choose the right name, and these are just things that could help out your company. And then, like let's say if I do like Gus Digital, that one was taken. So some people already registered these. So like let's say this one, it says GusDigitalS.com, that's $11 a year. And then I go to the cart here, and then this is where you can see like domain privacy, your domain registration, and your hosting if you want to host a website. So yeah, this was just a quick video on domain names. Just wanted to help people out with domain names and how to get one and things like that. Thank you.